Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put text in object in Photoshop. Let's begin. Open any file. I use this. Then create a new layer. Type anything. I type text. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Hold Shift. Click and drag on your mouse. Then right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize layer. Then press Ctrl, hold Ctrl, select the text, then press Ctrl, again press Ctrl C for copy this text, press Ctrl D, remove this text, okay, create a new layer, go to filter tab, add vanishing point, add at the corner, you can use perfectly, press Ctrl B or paste this text. Hold Ctrl, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold Shift, resize. Okay. Now we can see this added text, put text, multiply. You can apply these options, and you can use go to effects, blending options, and use for perfectly blending. Alter, hold alter, hold alter, hold alter. Click OK. Now we can see this put text in object. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.